Hello kids, today you're gonna learn about the letter G and his sounds. Look at this, you're gonna learn today about goat, about guitar, about gloves, about ghost, and about grapes. I hope you practice these letters at home, the sounds. Bye bye. This is me, Teacher Henry. Today we have this practice about the letter G. Remember, the name is G, but the sound is G. G. Say it with me. G. G. Let's touch this box. It's a gift. And we're going to repeat the sounds higher. Vamos a hacer el sonido fuerte, el sonido de la letra G. Recuerden que se llama G, pero no suena G, suena G. Vamos a hacerlo cuando toque el dibujo. A ver, vamos juntos a hacer ese dibujo. Vamos. 1, 2, 3. G. G. Ok, aquí tengo una lista de fotos, vamos a ver cuál suena igual y la vamos a tratar de marcar o colorear, ok? Let's begin with the first picture. We have an animal. Aquí tenemos un animalito, vamos a ver cómo se llama. Yo voy a hacer el sonido 3 veces y luego digo el nombre a ver si son parecidos. G, G, gecko. It is! Let's color this animal. It's a gecko. Ok, the gecko, oh sorry. I used to see geckos, they are like green. Okay, gecko. Okay, we finished. This is the gecko. Gecko. Let's go with the number 2. We have here a garbage can. Oh, garbage bin. Oh, it is. Let's color it on color brown. Okay? Let's color it on color brown. Garbage bin. Oh, garbage. Garbage. Okay, now let's go with the number 3. Here we have. Butterfly. Butterfly. No, the sound is different. This is not. Okay? Let's go with the number 4. Crab. Crap. No, this is not the sound we are looking for. Este no suena igual. Let's go with the next one. Okay. Guitar. Guitar. It had the sound G. Okay. Si tiene el sonido que estamos aprendiendo hoy, que es el sonido G. Okay. Let's color the guitar. Guitar. Let's go with the number 3. Bowl, sorry. Bowl. Bowl. No, it sounds different. This not. Next one. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. No, it sounds different. No suena igual. Next one. This one here. Grape. Grape. It is. Let's color grapes on color purple. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's so big. Lo hice muy grande, ¿verdad? Okay. Grapes. Here we go. Grapes are purple and green. Tienen dos colores, ¿verdad? Okay, here we go. Okay. Next one. Ghost. Ghost. Yes, it is. And the ghost is white. Los fantasmas son blancos. Yo sé que no lo pintamos, pero sí funciona. Podemos. Let's color his eyes. Vamos a pintarle sus ojos. Okay, ghost. Next one. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. No, this is not the sound we're looking for. No. Let's go with the next one. Glove. Glove. Yes, it is. Gloves are brown. Los guantes de jugar béisbol normalmente son como cafés. Okay. Here we go. Great job. Next one. Goat. Goat. It is. What color is a goat? ¿Qué color puede ser una cabra? Vamos a ver. What about color the horns and color black? Vamos a pintar los cachos negros. Okay. Las pezuñas. Okay, let's do this part. And the tail is black. And the body of this animal is gonna be brown. So pintala un poquito también. Okay. Here we go. Good job, kids. I like goats because the milk is very tasty. Qué rico es la leche de cabra, ¿verdad? Okay, here we go. Okay, we finished. It's done. We finished all the pictures. Okay, let's practice again the sound G of the letter G. Letter G sounds G, 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 gecko, G, G, garbage bin, G, G, guitar, G, G, grape, G, G, ghost, woo, G, G, glove, G, G, goat, ba. Thank you so much. See you next time, kids.